Hello everyone. In the previous video we already have seen how to draw a circle, rather how to draw involute of circle. Okay. Now in this particular example we are going to draw pentagon, involute of pentagon. Okay. So as we have problem with us, that is pentagon having each side of length 20. So now I am going to draw a pentagon first. Okay. Just draw a line of 20 mm horizontally. Okay, I am coinciding my line to the corner of my rather one of the sides of my page. Okay, and from there little bit down from the center of your page. So 2 mm line that I have drawn. Okay, now as we all know, the angle of pentagon, that is from right side, I am taking 72 degrees from this side, and also from this side 72. Okay, now extend those lines. Just a minute. Okay, wrongly I have taken 62, it's 72. Okay, now just extend those lines and mark 20 over there. Okay, so it's 20 on this side and another 20 on this side. Okay, now just take rounder, 20 mm in your rounder, and mark that 20 mm from both the points. Okay, and wherever it will cut to the arc, just join that point. That will again give you 20. Okay, this will complete your pentagon, and just rub out the another extension lines. Okay, now as we all know, in circle we have circumference as pi d, but in the case of pentagon we just need to multiply 5 into 20, which is the side of this pentagon. So 20 into 5 is 100. So I am going to mark from here 100. Okay, so from here it is 100 mm, that is 10 mm. Okay, just extend this line, mark 100 over here. Now extend all the sides of it. Okay, as this is one of its sides, so I am extending this way. Now this is the another side, so I am extending this way, likewise. Okay, just extend those, and this I am going to extend on the lower side. Now just a minute. Now the lower one, that I am going to extend down, and this already we have extended, right? So now just this is your 100. Okay, so as I named it as A, B, C, D and E, then this could be whatever, P. Okay, so that is your perimeter, that's why it's P, right? Okay, now just mark 5 points over here. Okay, this is your 100, right? Then the remaining one could be or simply you can draw it in the other way. Directly take A to B distance in your rounder. Okay, we are drawing it in a reverse direction. So A to B in your distance, and just mark an arc over here. So this will give you what we can say this as P1. Okay, now just take E to P1 distance in your rounder. and mark an arc over here. This will give you P2, right? Now take D to P2 distance in your rounder and mark an arc over here. So this will be P3, and then C to P3 distance in your rounder and draw one arc over here. So this will give you P4, and the last one B to P4 in your rounder. Okay, and just draw arc. If it comes same as that of the distance you have mentioned, okay, then your arc is correct. Okay, so in my case it is right. Okay, so this will complete your whole involute. Okay, this is P5 also. Okay, so do complete this way the involute of pentagon.